Welcome to my YouTube automotive channel. In today's video I have a 2012 Ford Expedition and I will show you which fuse to check in case your power mirrors are not working. This video will apply to Ford Expeditions made from 2007 all the way up to 2014. Power mirrors fuse is located in a small fuse box in the passenger cabin just next to the passenger's right foot. Now to access it, first you'll have to remove this cover. To do that you just want to pull it towards yourself. And now you will get access to the actual fuse box cover. On top of the cover, as you can see, you'll have a small fuse diagram which you can use to locate any of the fuses. To remove the cover, you will have two black tabs, one on this side, one on the opposite side. So you want to press them at the same time and pull the cover towards yourself. On the back side of the cover, this white piece, this is the fuse puller, which you can again use to check any of the fuses. And the fuse you want to check, it's a fuse number 12, which is a 7.5 amp fuse located right here. Hopefully this fuse will be burnt out, and just by replacing it that will fix your problem. If not, you'll have to do a bit deeper diagnostics and start looking towards the power mirror switch, connectors and wiring. Okay, thank you for watching this short video. I hope it was helpful and educational. If it was, please like it and consider subscribing to my YouTube automotive channel. On my channel there is lots of how-to videos, do-it-yourself videos, car reviews, product reviews and other similar automotive topics.